Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about converting decimals to fractions. A decimal is a number that consists of a whole number and a fraction part. A decimal contains a decimal point, and all the numbers before the decimal point are whole numbers, and the numbers that are after the decimal point are the fraction part. So let's say we have an example of 1.8. 1 is before the decimal point, so 1 is the whole number. And then we have point, which is our decimal point. And next, after the decimal point, we have 8. So 8 is the fraction part. All right. So now today we're going to look at how to convert this decimal and make it a fraction. So before you do that, we need to understand the place values of a decimal number. So let's look at the place values. So we have place values of whole numbers without decimals. So let's say we have 327.48. 327.48. So 327 is before the decimal point, so that is our whole number. And the place values of this whole number is 7 represents the units or the ones place. So it means we have 7 ones. And then 2 represents tens. And 3 will be hundreds. So as you can notice, we started from units, we went to tens, now 100. So as we move to the left, the numbers are increasing by 10. Now, the place value for the numbers after the decimal is the first number after the decimal is a tenth. A tenth means divided by 10. So the first number, we're going to divide it by 10. The second number is 100th, which means divided by 100 or all over 100. And the third number will be 1,000th, which means divided by 1,000. So another trick to remember is that the number of digits you have after the decimal point will tell you how many times you're going to be dividing by. So if I only have 1.8, I only have 8 after the decimal point, only one digit. That's divided by 10 because it's only one digit. If it's 2 digits now, it's divided by 100. If it's 3 digits, divided by 1,000. And you keep going like that. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions on how to convert decimals into fractions. In the next video, we're going to look at how to reduce the fraction.